Oh no. A 2-inch piece of that mullein plant tore off on me. Let's see if we can fire roll it. Pretty good filler that can fire roll and ignite when it's still green. We'll roll it 10 times, or approximately 10 times, flip it. Flip it every 10 rolls. That'll keep it from getting so tight that it snuffs out the ignition. Bunch of forward rolls just to tighten it up. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.